and girls. The remote control stopped working, so you're gonna listen to me walk back. Okay. Our new lesson now is gonna be how do we measure angles. Now, the tool that we use is called a protractor, but since it's hard for me to show you with a little protractor, I'm gonna use this big one. Now, I know that some of you, most of you, probably don't have a protractor at home. That's okay. You can print one out. It's on the PlusPortals in the files section. I put a protractor that you can print out so that you can use it. And also your lesson that you're gonna do is gonna be on IXL, and it has a protractor on there, and then you just use it to measure it. So don't worry about that. Okay, so how are we gonna use it? Let's see. So the way that you use it is that you have to first line up the angle with the center of the protractor. So there's gonna be either a little circle or a little line or something here in the middle that shows you that that's the center. So for example, if this was our angle, right? Let's say this was our vertex and this would be W. And then we had this one going this way and we had one going this way, right? So what this protractor is used for is telling us how much is between here and here. How many degrees, because we measure angles in degrees. So how does that work? Well, if you're using it with an angle that's starting off this way and opening up, right? So it's opening from right to left because this top one is going towards the left. You're going to use the numbers that are here on the inside. Each protractor has two sets of numbers, inside numbers and outside numbers. So again, when it's starting here, this would be like 0, right? And if you see, it has little numbers. It has 10, 20, 30, 40, and it goes getting bigger as it opens up, wider. So we're going to use the inside numbers, and we're going to see where does it point to? The 40. So this angle measures 40 degrees. Okay? Now, if it goes the other way, right, which means it's starting this way and opening up this way, right? It's a bigger angle, an obtuse angle, okay, because it's, again, to this side, it's starting from the left and opening towards the right. It starts here, whichever way is flat on the bottom, that's the direction it's starting on. So it's starting on the left and it's opening up to the right. So we're gonna use this outside set of numbers for those. Okay, so we follow it and we see it goes all the way to 150. So this angle would be 150 degrees because it lands on 150 in the outside numbers. Okay, once you print it out or once you see the one that's on the website, then you can see it better. But the numbers go based on which way it's opening up, okay? The other part of this lesson is the types of angles, which would be a right angle, an obtuse angle, and an acute angle. So I'm just gonna put it right here, little, it's easy. A right angle is an angle that has 90 degrees. What does that mean? That means that it's straight in both directions. It could be going that way, it could be going this way, it could be going down, okay, or the other way, down, but it's 90 degrees. It's a straight, two straight lines, going up and one going out, okay? Any of those ways, that's a right angle, it's 90 degrees. So if we were using our protractor, it would be right here, 90 degrees. And you might be asking, well, how do I know which numbers to use, the inside or the outside? Well, you can look at the bottom one and it's starting on this side, but either way, for both ways, when it goes straight up, that's a 90 degree angle. So this would be a right angle, a 90 degree angle. Okay? The other one we have is called an acute angle. And an acute angle is less than 90 degrees. So 80, 70, 60, 55, 47, 13, anything less than 90 degrees. Okay? So it doesn't make it all the way to the halfway point. It could be here, which would be 30 degrees. It could be here, 60 degrees, but it's closer, the angles are closer together than halfway up. Okay? So a way to remember that is like you go like this with your fingers, like think of like a baby or a puppy and you say, oh my god, it's so cute, it's so cute, it's cute, it's so cute. It's little, right? It's smaller than 90 degrees, an acute angle. They're closer together than halfway. Okay? Let me put some examples. So it could be like this, or it could be like this, almost the same, either direction. Okay? They're closer together, acute. The third option is what's called an obtuse angle, which is the opposite of acute, so it's bigger, larger than 90 degrees. So more than halfway, right? So if, again, we have it going straight up, that's halfway, that's 90 degrees, that's a right angle. So anything past it to the opposite side would be an obtuse angle. So for example, this way, okay, that's 130 degrees. It's larger than 90 degrees, larger than halfway, a right angle. So anything that's more open. If it goes all the way, that's a straight line, but it's still an obtuse angle because it's larger than a 90-degree angle. Okay? Those are just the three things there. There's going to be notes also in the PlusPortals page, so you can look at it if you have any questions. And then you're going to do the IXL lesson, which you're going to have a protractor with the angle already set up on it, on the protractor for you, and you just have to put what the measurement is. So good luck, try your best, and let me know if you need help with Zoom.